ya kajing sengongu bat kajing teri shitom jong ke pulit Pyniaid kali hasor shelong ki bahap bansha ya kasngi khamtam ya uslap bat ya kali khnang ban pentelun ya kajing ya bet ya irenti ki kali hasor shelong banlat na kajing theng kali palat ka Frank Motors kalalet ban IT de ki raincoat Shaka office rekam jong USP ha IGP point na kaliang kitrai bat kinong Pyniaid jong ka Frank Motors kila pentip bakila IT haduk lai spa tali ki raincoat Shaka tenat pulit batkan sabeteng ban ai shu hakini kisngi ke bansawan kila ongru bakini ki raincoat lashna hakata karukam bandaru wat ya kikmat ki bala pat banyo ishai khnang ban yada na gajing sit slap yakini ki raincoat la IT ha uba Silverstar nong tenger ubadi USP ka East Khasi Hills district haringkat kajing donlang uba Mac Joel Marngar ubadi u deputy superintendent traffic East Khasi Hills bat u Dr. Dara Aswagosh ubadi USP traffic.
As part of Jonganika Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative and Appreciation, the Shillong Traffic Police Department, menta concrete efforts and endeavors in maintaining law and order in the city. We distribute kanika ignite rainwater radar suit, kadi 10,000 mm water resistant, high visibility, lightweight. The construction of jacket is such it helps to make you smooth move on your turf and can be worn when you are walking. Okay. We distribute kumbalai partly. Tadi dengan first phase, consider the second phase, so another 300 for now. Kita tanggup tahi, kita tanggup be appreciate ya ki Shillong Traffic Police Department. Kering sini kau hai. How ingin seleb yang kasar ke second phase, we are trying, but kan selong soon ni. Ni appreciate juga work juga Shillong Traffic Police kalau important, especially ni monsoon kemni ke Jaiñ how new slab so tanggung tam dan ini quality wise ki khamhan ya ketika company ka ignite flap and check online dulu dan ka cost ka kham niat kham rem niat tang kata hi ka logo jong ka Shillong Traffic Police ka don ka STP print tang hi